What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up to the cell, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss the NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. So right about now, people. Why? What me I say now? What more I know, people? It seems like Squaddy comes to boom and give them money a license. Zine? Yeah. Because Squaddy come out. Squaddy video drop. You understand now? Me say, I be a thing a go on, you know, people. I be a things a go on. Someone, yeah. I really a go on a yard, you know. Eh? Now me see that video sent to the attacking boss now, people. Caption that now. Now, me I go say 2 video, right? After Squaddy video. Me say one with a look of Stammer, man. First of all. I mean, the woman a deal with Stammer, man. And the way the woman a talk to Stammer. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Eh? Stammer in a ear now. You know what I mean? And the woman a say, okay, that boy. Eh? Go fool. Eh? Eat it out. And Stammer eat it. And eh? I'm really. The next video sent to me now, people. When them say NEWLINK, ambulance man. Me see one female come some woman a show her face and a skinny teeth them like guinea pig. You understand? Then when me look now, me see one man in there, face down, cool and deadly. You understand? Him nah go like Squaddy, people. So he no beat Squaddy. You know the near Squaddy none at all. But me I say ambulance man just a deal with it cool and you understand? Ambulance man just like a, you get me I say, a feed pan it like, you know, like when, you know, coke you have a feed pan breast it or something. Eh? But me I say, oh, the whole of them are something just a come out now. No, sir. It like some big things are going on. Or they yes, Squaddy I get the big boss and then yes, Squaddy I get the half of them, so everybody comes to come out now. And this a female, now this one, you know. The female make sure show her face, you know. So she want to get fear boss too, you know. She want to get fear hype too, you know. But what a go on, yeah? Eh? Them a same thing, you know. Me no nobody ask about the other video with a 3 man and them. No, me no nobody ask about that day. Me not talk about that. Cause straight attack this up. So me no need to talk about it or attack. See? Because man can bring nice picnic come and hurt. And have nice clean woman and come so boom and go nyam. Hey, attack. See? But back to basic now, people. Me as a Squaddy, I want really go on. Ambulance man, get some bowl and get some brave. Then Squaddy. No, sir. You know the end viewers and subscribers, nothing wrong with what them are doing. See? Yes, them are for them life, for them choice. They so them want to eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper. They want to eat for the whole year and the whole Christmas and the whole Easter and the whole of the year. Make them eat. But all me I say, why the phone thing? What's so special about the phone thing? And what's so special about getting it out there? Nobody not tell me, no. Nobody can tell me about this. This is a difference from the Squaddy one. Ambulance man thing different. Ambulance man really like a them plan for do it and put you out there. So look at that man. Me want my bus too. Squaddy I get them the big name there. Squaddy I get them the link there and I get the green card link. Me want my thing too. But they look like the female need for your thing too. So what really I go on? What them I do? They have a site and them I try to do some advertisement or something. Is it a promotional thing for their website? No, sir. This can't be real. DM are full up again now, though. How much people... Yo, me say the other day, my DM full up. How much people want to see Squaddy video? Me say the DM full up. You go here now. NEWLINK. Ambulance with the NEWLINK. Ambulance with the Stammer video NEWLINK. Me say people... The way me say Stammer. The woman deal with Stammer. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. One thing me say Stammer the band. You might say, hit it out. You look a fool, you. Hit that boy. You look all nasty boy, you look all nasty, Mr. Koya. Watch your, I saw the human are dealing with the people. And you like one big trunk, you know what I mean, chopped in woman, you know. And you also they bump them round the side, you know, people, but outside of the same thing, they, you know, Stammer did, you know. And Stammer work it, you know. But when me I say now viewers and subscribers, what really I want? Why all of a sudden? You know what I mean? We used to have them something I do leak. Maybe once a 4 month, once a 6 month. But no, me say then they pan rapid. Everybody out so. You hear say dancer come out and dancer do this and dancer do that. Which dancer do accept and dancer do confirm say make a big mistake. But that can't be a mistake, dancer. That is no mistake. 2 minutes do the vlog pan your straight attack for you. No joke thing about it. That is no mistake there. Never a mistake. It in the gene, it in the blood, it in everything. And all the friend them we are coming about say, yo, no pay people of mind. The friend them are the same thing to dancer. Come on, man. But the dancer there, people, when you again silent, then silent no keep silent in our talk up, man. I just two silent thing go get loud up now. Because silent go, you know what I mean? But me not busy with them something there, you know, people. See? But me just talk about the facts say, yo, know why this a new year have a kick off, so. You like COVID, he man then catch the COVID or something and he stir up something where them comes up, man, I just, this a, like I eat a the cure. Whenever I eat a the cure, oh my bro, oh my, everybody does I eat, so. Everybody, as me say, I attack for them that's sitting there, you know. See? Me talk right now, me talk about Stammer, ambulance man, see? Squaddy, boy, the amount of black me do pass Squaddy, me all people come and talk about attacking boss. Every day you talk about Squaddy, so every day, look here man, You don't hear what is NEWLINK? I'm the blogger, top blogger, big up NEWLINK's cause him a top blogger. So now, NEWLINK talk, and if we get attack, see? I'm free to talk, this is my thing. You feel offended or you feel a way about it, just don't watch it. Click pause and go by. You know what I mean? I appreciate the one them do a watch the thing. But the reality this, see? Because it get out of hand now. So now you have they come out, Squaddy come out, right? Stammer come out, see? Ambulance man come out. I guess why me even want to talk about them? Dancer come out with for them nastiness, see? Then you have Bossy. Bossy baby daddy. Fish come out. You get me? I say, who next? You say the lawyer wants own job, the doctor wants own job, okay, the artist wants own job, the DJ wants own job. Who next? Soldier wants own job. There's own job. Because me are telling the people, you don't go and take the phone. So if you want to take the phone and a video it and feel so you want to just go video it and keep it there. Think it a go stay there. You don't want to go viral and when the attacking boss come and drop you attack, you don't feel a way about it. You don't go take the phone and video it and see if they not go get the attack and see if it not go launch. And think the attacking boss not go talk about you know. You don't want to curry more. Think me not go talk about you know. No favor. Hey. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself and the people. And remember people, make sure you now follow the Instagram. You know a lot of people are going to link me and say, NEWLINK, who wants to see the video you know, with Stammer, who wants to see the video with, you know what I mean, ambulance man. Here we go on. Alright. Follow the IG, NEWLINK_production official. Make sure you follow the thing. Because if you don't follow the thing, you get left out. And if you unfollow, you're going to know, you know. You understand? So, make sure you now follow the thing. Big up to every one of the new followers them over IG. Big up to all who did a long time. But we are saying, you cannot say you're attacking boss or attacking fan. And you now follow me on Instagram. You now follow me on Facebook. You now follow me on Twitter. You subscribe. You appreciate that. But still, you need to follow the attacking boss everywhere and there. Peace, love, respect, be good, be great, and be safe out there. Attack, Stammer, ambulance man, Squaddy.